Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class we discussed some exercise problems. So now in this class we will continue the some more remaining exercise and example problems also. So now exercise 3.2 problem number 17, up to 16 problems we done in previous classes. 17th one, if capital A is equal to, you observe this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Next I is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, identity matrix, this is 1 0 0 1. Find k value so that condition, by using this condition, a square is equal to ka minus 2i. A square is equal to ka minus 2i. You observe in this equation, a already we know, I also we know, just we have to substitute a square. We have to find a square and substitute in this one. Solution, first I will find a square. So a square, how we will find? A square is equal to a into a. Already we did in previous problems also. A matrix is, what is the A matrix here? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and A, another one, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So 2 by 2 matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication will follow the rule row by column method. So 3 3s are 9, direct I am writing here, 3 3s are 9. Next, plus minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Next, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, plus minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Next one, 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, plus next one, plus minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Next, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, plus minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So now 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, next 12 minus 8 is 4, minus 8 plus 4, minus 8 plus 4 also minus 4. So this is what? A square. This is A square. So we know the A square matrix, A matrix, identity matrix. All values substitute here, and by equality condition, we have to find the k value. So for that purpose here I will substitute, given A square is equal to ka minus 2i. Now A square matrix we have to substitute here, 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to k into, k is a scalar, into A. A is matrix, given matrix, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Next, minus 2i, 1 0 0 1. So now make the simplification, right side, left side as it is, nothing change in left side. Here multiply, scalar multiplication, each and every element multiply with k. 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k, minus 202. So now 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 2, minus 2k, minus 0 is minus 2k direct, 4k minus 0 is 4k, next minus 2k, minus 2. Two matrices are equal, that means order compulsory same, corresponding elements are equal. By using the corresponding elements are equal, any one you can take here. No need to take all values, any one comparison enough. First element comparison I am making, 1 is equal to 3k minus 2. If you send left side, it will become 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 3k. 3 3 get cancelled, k is equal to 1. If you take minus 2 is equal to minus 2k, k is equal to 1. Any place if you are taking, k value is 1. Next problem, problem number 18. This is important for 3 marks question. Sometimes chance is there for asking 3 marks question. A is a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, and trigonometry is involving here. That one you have to observe here. And I is a identity matrix of order 2. Show that this one we have to show. First, I'll simplify left side. Why? Because very simple is there. LHS part I'll complete here. Solution LHS. LHS I'll find first. I plus A. So what is the I? I is the identity matrix of order 2. Identity matrix 1 0 0 1 plus capital A. What is a capital A? 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, that is 0. So addition how will do? Corresponding elements addition. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus of minus, so total minus tan alpha by 2. Next, 0 plus tan alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2, 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is I plus A. This is identity matrix plus given matrix A, addition. Next, RHS side what is there? I minus A is there. So first I'll find I minus A, then I'll substitute here. So I minus A you take here 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 minus A, 0 minus tan alpha by 2. Next one is as it is, this one A won't change clearly, so tan alpha by 2, 0. So now subtraction we have to make here. 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus of minus, 0 minus of minus, so plus we will get. Next one 0 minus tan alpha by 2, here minus tan alpha by 2. Next 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is what? I minus A matrix. I minus A matrix, this one we got. So now RHS side simplification we have to make. RHS I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So RHS part this one, I minus A matrix is there. I minus A matrix you have to substitute here. 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So just for substitution, I minus A matrix substitution I did here. So now row by column multiplication we know already. 1 into cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha, tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha. First row first column completed. Next first row second column, 1 into minus sin alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha, row by column. Next second row first column we have to multiply, minus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha plus 1 into sin alpha, this sin alpha, minus into minus plus tan alpha by 2 to sin alpha plus 1 into cos alpha is cos alpha. So now you observe, after multiplication we are not getting this answer. We have to get this answer. For that purpose, simplifications we have to make here. How to make the simplification? Cos alpha as it is I will write here. Cos alpha as it is I am writing, plus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 writing as a sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 into sin alpha in trigonometry ratio, trigonometry identity scissor, by that one sin alpha is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So next, sin alpha as it is writing minus sin alpha plus here tan alpha by 2 is there. Tan alpha by 2, how we can write? Tan alpha by 2 is sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Cos alpha formulas is there. What are the formulas for cos alpha? 4 different formulas is there. Here you observe cos alpha by 2 is there. So convert into cos. So I'll write here 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Next, here simplification, minus sin alpha by 2 to cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2 getting, so convert to cos, 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 plus sin alpha as it is sin alpha. Next, here simplification, sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 sin alpha formula 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. So now totally didn't completed, still continuation is there. Cos alpha by 2 cancel here. Next, here also cos alpha by 2 cancel. Next simplification, cos alpha is there, here 2 sin square alpha by 2 will get. Cos alpha, how we can write? 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 plus remaining as it is I am writing, that is 2 sin square alpha by 2. Next, here minus sin alpha is there, minus sin alpha write as a minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Next, multiply inside. If you multiply inside, cos alpha by 2 cancel, remaining is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 minus 1 into the total, 1 into total what you will get? Sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 as it is. Next one, if you multiply inside here also, what you will get? Minus is there, minus you will get cos alpha by 2 cancel. So remaining is minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 minus into minus plus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 remaining plus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. So just here trigonometric values writing and LHS RHS prove we are making. Next, here 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus cos alpha how we can write? 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. So this one we got. After this one, small simplification is there. You observe, if you take in this 2 common, cos square alpha by 2 plus sin square alpha by 2, that value is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1. Next here, these two get cancelled, remains is minus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Next here also plus minus cancel, remaining is sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Final answer here 2 if we are taking common, same to same, 2 into 1 minus 1. So 1, this simplification is minus tan alpha by 2. Next tan alpha by 2 and 1. So this is a RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence prove. Next, problem number 19 I displayed here. This is just a basic question of matrices. So you see the question carefully. A trust fund has 30,000 rupees. So total trust fund how much? 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees must be invested in two different types of bonds. Investment they are making in two different bonds. So if we are taking X investment, two types of bonds is there, A and B. If you invest X rupees in bond A, compulsory 30,000 minus X invested in bond B. And bond A, first bond, that is nothing but first and second the given. First bond invested 5% interest, and second bond interest is 7% interest per year. Using the matrix multiplication, determine how divides the 30,000 amount in two types of bonds. Annual interest must be 1800 and 2000. So two questions is there here. This is a very simple problem. Just write as a matrices X 30,000 minus X, one matrix, and another matrix is 5%. 5% means 5 by 100. Next 7 by 100. For first problem purpose, equate to 1800. Now use the matrix multiplication. 5x by 100 plus this total multiplication, 7 3s are 21 0000 by 100 minus 7x by 100 is equal to 1800. If you take the LCM, what you will get? 21,00,00 minus 2x, 5x minus 7x is 2x is equal to 100. If you send that side, more 2 zeros you will get here. So next, if you change this one, 21,00,00 minus 18,00,00 is equal to 2x. If you subtract, how much you will get? 3,000 you will get. 23,000 remains. 2 lakhs 10,000 minus 1 lakh 18,000, 30,000 you will get here. Next cancellation, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So x is equal to 15,000. Next, question number 20 I displayed here. The bookshop of particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books, and 10 dozen economics books. 10 dozens. So dozen means how many? 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 10 dozens means multiply with 12 every element, and he received the selling price. Selling prices is there 80 rupees physics chemistry books, 60 rupees physics books, and 80 rupees is economics books, 40 rupees is economics books. So just how much cost is asking, how much cost is asking. So just multiply 12 multiply first total, and row by column operations you have to make. You will get the total amount. So this one take as a homework. Next problems 21 and 22. 21 and 22 multiple choice questions here. These two possess the condition, this condition. In textbook clearly the given, shortcutly I wrote here. Assume order of x is equal to, x matrix order is 2 by n, y matrix order is 3 by k, z matrix order is 2 by p, w matrix order O means order of w matrix is n by 3, and order of p matrix is p by k. So by using this one we have to find this one, py plus wy, py. So order of matrix p, order of matrix p is p by k, y means what, order of matrix y is 3 by k, plus order of matrix w is n by 3 into, what is the order of matrix y? Order of matrix y is 3 by k. You observe here, number of rows is equal to, number of columns is equal to, in first matrix number of columns is equal to second matrix number of rows. So both equal matrix exists. So result wy what you will get, n by k you will get. Result n by k you will get, plus here you observe number of columns in first matrix is k, second matrix is 3. When multiplication exists, k compulsory equal to 3, then only multiplication exists. If you take this here 3, then possibility. Next py result, what you will get, p by k. Next addition when exist, addition columns same, rows also same, then only addition exists. What is the conditions is asking. The restriction on nkp, p is equal to n and k is equal to 3, then only this will be exist. So option A is correct answer. Just very simple, this is no need to do any multiplication. By basic concept of multiplication rules and basic concept of addition rules. Next here, n is equal to p, then the order of the matrix, 7x. 7x order, how much you will get? 7x order is 2 by n. Next minus 5z, 5z matrix order is 5z, 2 by p. Next subtraction, if you make the subtraction, what will be the answer? So subtraction if you are making, same answer you will get, n is equal to p is there, so then only it is possibility. So result is 2 by n or 2 by p. Why? Because n is equal to p, condition they given. So 2 by n or 2 by p. Which option is there here? Option B is 2 by n. So 2 by n is the correct answer. By this problems, exercise 3.2 is completed. In next class we will continue with the remaining exercises. Thank you.